Hello everyone and welcome to another class of Amazon EC2 features. So today we are going to discuss about its next feature, which is high performance computing clusters. So these computing clusters are required for the customers with complex computational workloads such as tightly coupled parallel processor or with some other applications which are more sensitive to network performance. They can achieve some high compute and network performance. They, they can provide a custom built infrastructure while benefiting from elasticity, flexibility, and cost advantages of Amazon EC2. Cluster compute, cluster GPU, and high memory cluster instances has been specifically engineered to provide high performance network capability. So, cluster instances, it provides increased throughput, making well suited for customer applications that are very perform network intensive operations. That means that require huge network performance, more network performance. They require low latency network performance, which are required for tightly coupled node to node communication. That means high performance computing clusters are required for tightly coupled parallel processors, or we can say node to node communications. This is also a feature of Amazon EC2. Next, we have accelerated compute instances. Amazon EC2 provides two types of accelerated compute instances. Very first is GPU compute instances, which are for general purpose computing, and GPU graphic instances for graphic intensive applications. So, accelerated compute instances are basically a family of instances which uses hardware accelerators, co-processors to perform some functions such as floating point number calculations or various graphic processings. It can perform calculations more efficiently and effectively than possible in CPU or software running on a CPUs. That means accelerated compute instances required for compute instances which are for general purpose computing and for graphic instances. GPU compute and graphic instances. Customer requiring massive floating point calculation, like we have processing power that have floating point processing power, will benefit from GPU compute instances. The current generation of GPU compute instances like P2 instance provide access to 16 NVIDIA K80 GPUs, which is combined of 192 GB of CPU memory, 40,000 parallel processing cores, 70 teraflops of single precision floating point performance, and over 23 teraflops of double precision floating point performance. These GPUs support CUDA and OpenCL framework. 40,000 parallel processing cores, which are suited for machine learning, high performance databases, computation fluid dynamics, computational finance, seismic analysis, molecular modeling, genomics, rendering workloads. GPU, these are for customers that require high graphics. Next, we have System Manager. It is a management service that helps you to automatically collect software inventory. We can apply operating system patches, we can create images and configure operating systems. We can define and track system configurations with this. It maintains software compliance of EC2 and on-premises configuration. These capabilities help you to define and track configurations, maintain software compliance of your EC2 and on-premises configurations by providing a management approach that is designed for scale and agility of the cloud but extend into your on-premises data center. EC2 System Manager make it easier for you to seamlessly bridge your existing infrastructure with AWS. That means System Manager will manage or bridge your infrastructure with Amazon Web Services. These are the features of Amazon EC2 that we have discussed. Thank you so much.